Hey guys, I really want to get everyone in on Google Hangouts, so I'm going to show you how to do it if you're using just a regular computer instead of a device with an app. So once you click the link that I'm provided, which is this link here, and hit enter, it's going to take you to somewhere where you're going to choose your account. I'll choose my different account, my personal account. Okay, good. So it's going to pop up like this, and it shows now that I have joined 5th grade. Save my password here, and it will show all of our messages that we've done in the past, which is cool. So anytime you're logged in with Google anywhere and you have a tab open, it's going that the chats will show up. So I'll move this out of the way and I'll show you where, let me make this screen smaller so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so if you can see up here in this tab, it's showing that Lily Hughes has said something. That's where I've got my Gmail open. You can be open to your Google Drive, your Gmail, anything that's really Google, and the chats will pop up. So this is, again, my Gmail. So it's showing the 5th grade chat, and it's showing that Lily says she's confused. She's probably confused because I just logged in. Haha. Making a tutorial. You will watch this next week and laugh. Okay, yes, I was already on here. That is my different account. Okay, it also will show other chats that I have tried to set up. Yes, queen. Okay. So again, if you are using like an iPhone or an iPad, you can just download the app like I show in the other video, and then the messages will come through as a notification on your device. But if you're just using a regular computer, just make sure you have a Google tab open at all times, and the chat will pop up anytime you're on. I would like to be able to chat with you guys rather than email. It's a lot quicker. And Monday, hopefully when we can set up some conference times, we can use the Google video call either on an iPad, iPhone, or your computer if you have a webcam. Do the tutorial. Yes, I am. Thank you. Okay, so hopefully that worked. Thank you.